No, you know, there are moments and instances in sport that are inexplicable, cannot be explained. How did that happen? Sometimes it's a moment of brilliance, and at a time it's a moment of madness. And it was indeed one such moment of madness in the Jamaica game against the USA in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. And we're not talking about missing a penalty. The goalkeeper anticipated and pulled off a good save. But someone please explain how Leon Bailey missed that rebound. The keeper dived flat out, pushed the ball right in Bailey's path, and from 5 or 6 yards out, empty goal. The baller calm and collectively kicked wide off the far post. Somebody explain that. As me say, people miss penalty all the time, but with such an immediate opportunity to make amends, falling so perfectly, not to mention the chance to go 2-0 up against the USA. Somebody explain the maths and the physics of how Leon Bailey missed this rebound. Please send the explanation to www.miss.goal.com. We can't figure it out. You have to rub me ear and try to figure it out. And we can't. Tell me how we miss.